Today, we're diving deep into the latest advancements that AI is bringing to various sectors, including cybersecurity, document processing, and video generation. We'll explore new technologies that are reshaping how we interact with data and software, and look at the implications these have for the future of work. LiteParse, developed by Llama Index, is stepping into the document parsing landscape with a unique approach: self-hosting. Released in March 2026, LiteParse aims to enhance document processing efficiency by ensuring spatial fidelity in formats like PDF and Word, while providing the reliability of local processing over cloud-based services. This open-source server boasts support for over 50 document formats and operates on Linux, macOS, and Windows. What sets LiteParse apart is its focus on high-quality spatial text parsing with bounding boxes, facilitated by integrations like PDF.js for PDFs and LibreOffice for Office documents. For image files, it uses ImageMagick, and OCR tasks are handled via Tesseract.js, with connections to EasyOCR or PaddleOCR for enhanced accuracy. Designed with TypeScript, it eliminates GPU dependency, ensuring compatibility across varied environments. This is particularly advantageous for developers seeking robust document parsing solutions without needing high-end hardware. The numbers are impressive. LiteParse processes 500 pages in roughly 2 seconds without the need for cloud services. This rapid processing speed stands out significantly, especially in industries like finance and insurance, where efficiency and accuracy are paramount. Adding to its credibility, LiteParse garnered over 4,300 stars on GitHub shortly after its launch. This level of interest showcases the community's recognition of its potential as a go-to tool for document handling tasks. However, there are trade-offs to consider. While LiteParse offers high-speed local parsing, it might lack some advanced features found in sophisticated cloud-based alternatives like LlamaParse. Users might face limitations if they need extensive scalability or integration with cloud ecosystems for larger organizational needs. Additionally, the lack of formal performance benchmarks compared to other solutions leaves some uncertainty regarding its full capabilities. What can you try this week? Visit the LiteParse GitHub repository for installation instructions and explore the documentation through their homepage. It's a great opportunity to integrate LiteParse into your workflows for document parsing needs. The community-driven nature of this open-source project also allows for customization and enhancements, inviting contributions from developers looking to extend its functionality. The takeaway: LiteParse is a promising tool for those seeking efficient, secure, and private document processing, shedding reliance on cloud APIs. It opens new avenues for privacy-sensitive enterprises, making it an attractive choice for sectors like healthcare, where data confidentiality is crucial. By keeping operations local, LiteParse effectively addresses privacy concerns while reducing latency and reliance on potentially costly cloud services. Whether you're a developer or an organization focused on secure data handling, LiteParse offers a fresh perspective on document parsing technology. Amazon's fintech teams are bringing innovation to compliance management with a new AI application that revolutionizes how regulatory inquiries are handled. Leveraging Amazon Web Services, AWS resources such as Bedrock and Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, the system is designed to enhance operational efficiency. By adopting these advanced technologies, Amazon aims to modernize compliance processes significantly, reducing response times for handling inquiries from 2 seconds to an impressive 300 milliseconds. In terms of technical specifics, the application deploys AWS infrastructure to achieve scalability and resilience. It employs Amazon Bedrock for comprehensive knowledge integration and RAG to augment retrieval capabilities with tailored knowledge bases. AWS Lambda functions are utilized to execute back-end code in a triggered, serverless environment, promoting cost-effective scalability across operations. OpenSearch Serverless ensures efficient vector storage solutions, allowing for rapid data fetches and searches, which are pivotal in regulatory contexts. The AI application's natural language processing capabilities are powered by Claude Sonnet 4.5 through the Converse Stream API, enabling seamless real-time interactions. Amazon DynamoDB is crucial for managing conversation histories, which enhances the user experience by retaining context and continuity in communication. One of the key achievements of this system is its over 90% accuracy rate in tracking value-added tax (VAT) regulation updates, a critical metric given the potential complexity and changeability of tax regulations. The architecture is robust enough to handle billions of transactions daily for compliance screening, reflecting its capability to operate under massive data loads, typical in financial environments. However, scalability across different regulatory jurisdictions remains an aspect under continuous evaluation. The initial integration costs using AWS services could also pose a significant challenge for organizations considering similar implementations. For those interested in exploring this type of technological advancement, it's advisable to delve into AWS offerings such as Bedrock and Lambda for developing customized regulatory applications. Moreover, the generative AI Q&A chat assistant presents an opportunity to test real-time compliance communication systems that Amazon has pioneered. The overarching message from Amazon's strategy is clear. By effectively leveraging AI and real-time data processing technologies, they set a new benchmark for handling regulatory inquiries. This approach not only improves the speed and accuracy of regulatory compliance, but also offers a model for other organizations seeking to enhance their compliance strategies in a rapidly evolving landscape. Tilde Research introduces Aurora, a new optimizer designed to address the frustrating hidden neuron death problem in Muon by enhancing training efficiency without sacrificing performance. Aurora marks a significant advancement in neural network optimization methodologies. Aurora's development stems from the need to tackle the prevalent issue in Muon, where neurons become ineffective early in training, effectively crippling the network's capacity. This optimizer addresses these challenges by optimizing data efficiency and parameter usage, achieving remarkable results, such as reducing dead neurons by 25% compared to Muon. It excels by implementing leverage-aware optimization techniques that allow it to strategically adjust learning rates based on parameter importance and model context. Notably, Aurora orthogonalizes parameter updates. This method, reminiscent of Muon's approach, helps in maintaining parameter independence, reducing redundancy, and improving convergence rates. Aurora also integrates advanced features from contemporary models like NorMuon to further boost performance, providing a blend of innovations designed to optimize neural network training effectively. In practical terms, Aurora offers an impressive 100x improvement in data efficiency on open-source internet data. This is achieved by using 25% fewer parameters and reducing training tokens by a factor of 100 compared to conventional baseline optimizers. These efficiency gains enable it to match the performance of models like Qwen 3.1.7b, a model trained on 36 trillion tokens, despite Aurora working with just 1.1 billion parameters and 100 billion tokens, a significant reduction in required resources. While these capabilities are promising, long-term efficacy across diverse datasets remains uncertain and requires additional evaluation. Aurora may face competition from emerging optimizers like NorMuon, raising questions about its future relevance. Moreover, performance discrepancies may arise when Aurora is applied to smaller-scale models, highlighting an area where further exploration is necessary. For those interested in implementing Aurora, detailed documentation is available on the Tilde Research blog. Testing Aurora against existing models can provide insights into its performance improvements. Evaluating its efficiency using less data compared to traditional optimizers opens an opportunity to witness its advantages firsthand. In summary, Aurora has the potential to redefine neural network training by prioritizing efficiency and overcoming long-standing optimization challenges. However, as with any new technology, long-term studies and community feedback will ultimately shape its influence on the field. The release of the joint document, Careful Adoption of Agentic AI Services by the Cybersecurity Agencies of the Five Eyes Alliance, represents a strategic move towards reinforcing the safe and secure deployment of agentic AI systems. Comprising CISA, NSA, ACSC, Canada's Centre for Cybersecurity, NCSC-NZ, and NCSC UK, this collaborative effort underlines an urgent, international focus on ensuring that AI technologies are integrated responsibly and securely, particularly in critical infrastructure and government operations. The guidance seeks to align AI risk management protocols with existing cybersecurity frameworks, acknowledging the significant challenges posed by agentic AI systems, those designed to operate with a degree of autonomy. One of the central recommendations includes the implementation of rigorous identity management and strict access controls to mitigate the risk of unauthorized access and usage, thereby addressing the increased attack surfaces that agentic AI can introduce. To further bolster security, the guidance emphasizes adversarial testing of AI systems. This involves rigorously challenging AI models with a variety of attack scenarios to identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited in real-world settings. Layered security defenses are also suggested, which means employing multiple security measures at different levels to increase the resilience of AI systems against potential breaches. Despite the comprehensive nature of this guidance, it does not provide specific cost metrics or implementation benchmarks, which poses a challenge for organizations looking to assess the investment required to comply with these recommendations. Moreover, while it highlights real-world examples of operational disruptions caused by AI failures, the document lacks detailed accuracy parameters, leaving a gap in how success might be measured quantitatively. From a practical standpoint, organizations are encouraged to integrate this guidance into existing AI implementation strategies, ensuring that AI systems are designed with intrinsic security features and oversight mechanisms. This includes conducting thorough adversarial testing using established scenarios to preemptively identify areas of vulnerability. However, there are trade-offs and limitations. The long-term effectiveness of the proposed measures remains speculative, as they have yet to be tested comprehensively. Additionally, the absence of clear metrics for evaluating organizational security postures might lead to variability in implementation effectiveness across agencies. This guidance not only sets a foundational step towards safer AI deployments, but also stimulates ongoing dialogue about AI safety standards. As AI technologies continue to evolve, this initiative by the Five Eyes Alliance may prompt further collaboration among international cybersecurity agencies and influence corporate AI adoption strategies worldwide. By encouraging investment in AI safety initiatives and training programs, this document could lead to stronger security protocols across various governments and potentially inspire the development of innovative regulations and standards for global AI safety governance. Corti is making waves with its proposed Startup Acceleration Program, intending to aid healthcare startups in navigating the increasingly complex AI regulatory environments. While the initiative stands to foster significant innovation in healthcare, official confirmation remains pending as of May 2026. This delay has created a sense of anticipation and some skepticism within the industry. Corti has established a strong reputation, underscored by raising $60 million in Series B funding in 2023 and supporting 100 million patients annually. Their AI systems conduct 150,000 interactions daily, illustrating their substantial footprint in the sector. In the US, their revenue had doubled by August 2024, reflecting robust growth and increased adoption of their AI solutions. These advancements highlight Corti's dedication to reducing inaccuracies in patient care through innovative technology designed for real-time interaction, analytics, and decision support. From a technical perspective, Corti's AI architecture is designed to perform real-time decision-making by leveraging clinical data. This is accomplished through specialized infrastructure that challenges the misuse of general-purpose AI models. Developers are offered access to APIs and tools to create and deploy healthcare-centric AI solutions. These tools ensure compliance with rigorous regulatory standards, providing a solid foundation for integrating AI into clinical environments and addressing legal considerations in healthcare applications. The absence of public confirmation about the accelerator's rollout raises questions about its current status and potential impact. Regulatory hurdles may indeed become a substantial barrier for some startups, potentially limiting the effectiveness of the program. Moreover, the heavy reliance on existing partnerships, such as those with Arts Consultation and Meditix, may inadvertently restrict the autonomy and innovation potential of new companies within the program. These partnerships, while enhancing integration and validation, might create a framework that is less flexible for new entrants who bring fresh ideas. Nevertheless, Corti's emphasis on creating clinical-grade systems can help emerging companies meet stringent regulatory requirements. For those interested in exploring Corti's resources, visiting their official website could provide valuable insights, as well as access to their APIs and other development tools. By examining these resources, aspiring health tech entrepreneurs can gauge the alignment of Corti's offerings with their own innovation goals. The broader takeaway: if the Startup Acceleration Program is confirmed and effectively implemented, it has the potential to offer critical support to burgeoning AI initiatives in the healthcare sector. This would not only accelerate the development of compliant and efficient healthcare technologies, but also set a precedent for similar initiatives by other organizations in the industry. However, achieving clarity and transparency on its implementation remains a crucial step toward harnessing its full potential. Without official confirmation and subsequent details, the program's prospective contributions to the healthcare AI landscape remain speculative yet highly anticipated. OpenAI's Daybreak initiative marks a pivotal shift in software security by integrating AI models with codex security. This groundbreaking platform is designed to enhance the detection of vulnerabilities and facilitate their remediation, effectively embedding security considerations directly into the software development workflow. At the heart of Daybreak is the GPT-5.5 Cyber Model, a cutting-edge tool specifically developed for advanced cybersecurity functions. This model is intricately linked with codex security, allowing developers to conduct real-time analyses of their code hosted on GitHub repositories. Through this seamless integration, Daybreak constructs specific threat models tailored to individual codebases, increasing the precision of vulnerability identification. One of the standout features of Daybreak is its ability to provide developers with comprehensive scanning capabilities and actionable remediation proposals. By utilizing AI-driven insights, it offers guidance that helps secure code from the outset, making software development more resilient against evolving cyber threats. The platform's focus on tasks such as secure code review, threat modeling, and dependency risk analysis positions it as an invaluable asset for developers. The release of GPT 5.5 Cyber, succeeding the GPT 5.4 Cyber, signifies a leap in operational capabilities, particularly in areas like patch validation and malware analysis. These enhancements empower developers to proactively address potential vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Despite these advancements, the real-world effectiveness of Daybreak in varied environments has not been fully proven, highlighting a need for industry-wide adoption and field testing. For practitioners interested in exploring the practical applications of Daybreak, visiting the official Daybreak page /openai.com/Daybreak, UTM source OpenAI offers detailed insights into the platform's capabilities. Additionally, the codex security documentation /help.openai.com/articles 20001107 codex security source OpenAI is a useful resource for understanding the specifics of integration with GitHub repositories. In summary, OpenAI's launch of Daybreak represents a significant milestone in the intersection of AI and cybersecurity. By setting an elevated standard in software defense mechanisms, it not only aims to improve the speed of vulnerability remediation, but also encourages the industry to reconsider how security protocols are incorporated into software design and development. If widely adopted, Daybreak has the potential to redefine the cybersecurity landscape, making robust security practices more accessible and integral to the software development process. UiPath takes a transformative leap in the realm of enterprise automation by integrating AI coding agents within its platform. This strategic enhancement allows for natural language interactions in building, testing, deploying, and governing automations, signifying a notable shift from its traditional focus on robotic process automation, RPA, to a more sophisticated AI-powered coding landscape. Central to this development are AI coding agents such as Claude Code and OpenAI Codex. These renowned models are integrated into UiPath's system to enhance coding tasks significantly. This integration is not just about immediate functionality, it sets the stage for future growth, with plans for additional agents and capabilities slated for 2026. By embedding these powerful AI models, UiPath aims to streamline coding processes, providing users with an unprecedented level of efficiency and responsiveness in their workflow management. One of the key features of the platform is its emphasis on governance and orchestration, crucial for enterprises seeking to manage automated workflows on a large scale. With new APIs designed for coding agent integration and management, UiPath facilitates a flexible architecture. This open structure allows businesses to choose and integrate various coding agents as per their specific needs, enhancing the platform's adaptability. Using natural language processing, NLP, the platform enhances user interactions, enabling even those without extensive coding backgrounds to leverage AI in automation tasks. This feature is vital for increasing accessibility and productivity, although the exact productivity gains are yet to be quantified. By providing tools that support natural language for automation tasks, UiPath is encouraging a wider range of enterprises to adopt AI in their processes, potentially reshaping industry standards. To assist developers and enterprises in harnessing these capabilities, UiPath offers thorough resources. Documentation such as the UiPath Coding Agents documentation, docs.uipath.com/agents, Automation Cloud's latest user about-coded agents, uCourse OpenAI, and video guides demonstrate how to implement and utilize these AI agents effectively. Meanwhile, their official blog keeps users informed with the latest updates and insights. Despite its promising advantages, integrating AI coding agents poses certain challenges and considerations. There's an inherent uncertainty regarding the agent's effectiveness compared to traditional coding methods, and enterprises might face variability in adoption rates. Developers unfamiliar with AI solutions might experience a learning curve, and there's a potential risk of dependency on automated solutions, potentially impacting human coder roles. In summary, UiPath's innovative push towards incorporating AI coding agents could reshape the landscape of enterprise software development. By setting new standards for efficiency and productivity, this expansion not only boosts current capabilities, but also lays a foundation for future advancements, promising a more dynamic and responsive automation world. Recent evaluations using the IF scale and ReasonIF benchmarks have brought much-needed clarity to the instruction-following capabilities of large language models, LLMs, emphasizing their operational limits and areas needing improvement. These benchmarks were specifically designed to test how well models adhere to complex and dense instructions, and the results have been quite illuminating. The IF scale benchmark, for instance, measures model performance when tasked with managing up to 500 instructions simultaneously. Despite the advanced capabilities of today's top LLMs, these models only manage to achieve about 68% accuracy under such high-density conditions. This suggests a significant performance degradation, highlighting the challenges these models face when processing a multitude of simultaneous instructions. Such performance metrics underscore critical considerations for developers who aim for reliability in deploying these models in real-world scenarios. On the other hand, the ReasonIF benchmark focuses on a model's adherence to reasoning tasks, which is essential for applications requiring logical deductions or step-by-step problem-solving. Models such as GPT-OSS120B and Qwen3235B exhibited adherence rates less than 25%, indicating a severe struggle to follow reasoning instructions accurately. The disparity in these performance outcomes demonstrates that current model architectures may not yet be equipped to handle complex reasoning tasks effectively. One promising method to address these challenges is activation steering. This approach involves reconfiguring instruction-specific vector representations within the models to enhance their adherence to instructions. By adjusting the internal activation pathways, these models could potentially show improved compliance without the need for extensive retraining. However, activation steering's practical application across different model architectures and its scalability remain under thorough investigation. While initial trials indicate potential, there's a need for further empirical data to support its broad adoption. For those interested in experimenting with these advancements, a practical approach would be to dive into the IF scale and ReasonIF benchmarks. By reviewing activation steering techniques and integrating them into existing systems, developers can test improvements in instruction adherence. Additionally, rigorously assessing current models using these benchmarks can provide valuable insights into areas that require enhancement. The takeaway from these studies is clear. Although there have been significant advancements in developing large language models, substantial challenges remain in ensuring accurate instruction adherence. As developers seek to implement these models in diverse applications, from enterprise solutions to complex analytical tools, the need for innovations like activation steering becomes increasingly apparent. Such innovations promise to enhance the reliability and intelligence of AI applications, guiding the next steps toward more capable and autonomous AI systems. IBM's introduction of Bob signals a significant advancement in the software development lifecycle, SDLC, through the integration of artificial intelligence, AI. Introduced on April 28, 2026, Bob stands as a transformative tool aimed at revolutionizing how developers approach software creation, particularly by automating mundane and repetitive tasks traditionally requiring manual input. Bob replaces the older Watson X code assistant, building upon it with enhanced AI functionalities that cover a broader spectrum of development tasks. This tool targets the acceleration of the early stages of development, promising significant reductions in time to market for software products. By automating coding, testing, and deployment tasks, developers can allocate more focus on intricate challenges rather than getting bogged down by routine procedures. The core of Bob's innovation lies in its multi-model orchestration. This feature dynamically routes tasks to suitable AI models based on preset criteria, such as accuracy and cost-effectiveness, which optimizes the use of computational resources. Each development phase includes strict governance, security, and compliance measures, important for adherence to industry standards and regulations. The tool's persona-based modes also guide users through the development process with tailored assistance, enforcing coding standards and leveraging reusable playbooks for efficiency. IBM has released Bob as a software-as-a-service, SaaS offering, accessible via a complimentary 30-day trial. This model makes cutting-edge AI capabilities available to both individuals and enterprise teams, democratizing access to advanced development tools. The tool's integration capabilities extend to Model Context Protocol, MCP servers, and multiple IBM toolsets, which highlights its adaptability across diverse computing environments. From a productivity standpoint, IBM projects a 7% increase in developer output. However, as with any new technology, especially in its initial phase, real-world performance data is still being gathered to validate these claims. As Bob automates routine tasks, there's an expectation that job roles within development teams may evolve. Developers might find themselves transitioning towards oversight roles, focusing on higher-level decision-making rather than hands-on coding. Despite the promising aspects, there are trade-offs and uncertainties. There's a need to independently verify IBM's productivity claims and evaluate Bob's adaptability across various development environments. Although there are concerns about over-reliance on AI, which might diminish traditional coding skills, the potential efficiency gains may outweigh these challenges. IBM Bob not only reflects a notable shift towards AI-augmented development, but also impacts the broader landscape, potentially prompting competitive responses from other tech giants. By embedding comprehensive security compliance, Bob might attract industries with stringent regulatory requirements. For those interested in experiencing Bob's capabilities, a trial is available through the IBM Bob webpub.ibm.com. As AI continues to carve its place within the SDLC, tools like Bob represent a leap towards more streamlined, efficient software development, fostering innovation and possibly redefining the nature of development work itself. ByteDance's Seedance 2.0, launched on February 12, 2026, represents a significant advancement in AI-driven video generation technology. This update brings about a transformative capability to integrate synchronized audio, video, and multiple other inputs, thereby meeting the nuanced demands of modern content creators in sectors like marketing and media production. Seedance 2.0 is powered by a sophisticated multimodal generation architecture, which significantly enhances motion stability and physical accuracy. This technological foundation allows it to handle numerous simultaneous inputs, up to 9 reference images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio tracks. The model generates videos with up to 15 seconds of content in ultra-high-definition 2K resolution combined with native audio. These features position Seedance 2.0 at the forefront of video generation capabilities, catering to complex scenarios such as multi-person interactions that were previously difficult to synchronize accurately. One of the standout achievements of Seedance 2.0 is its ELO rating as a top-performing model for image-to-video with synchronized audio in the artificial analysis video arena. This rating underscores its superior performance compared to other prominent models like OpenAI's Sora and Meta's MovieGen. However, even with these advancements, the model faces challenges, such as intellectual property concerns regarding real actors' likenesses and the difficulty in maintaining consistent hyperrealism across various contextually rich scenarios. For users eager to leverage Seedance 2.0's capabilities, the official documentation provides a comprehensive guide to setup and usage. Additionally, video tutorials available on platforms like YouTube furnish practical demonstrations of how to utilize its features effectively, making it accessible even to those less familiar with AI video tools. The implications of Seedance 2.0 are far-reaching. It sets a new industry standard for AI-driven content creation by significantly reducing the time and costs associated with video production. The model has the potential to transform industries like advertising and education by offering innovative storytelling tools that facilitate immersive learning and engaging marketing materials. However, it also prompts a need for updated guidelines on ethical AI use, especially concerning the authenticity and credibility of AI-generated content. In conclusion, Seedance 2.0 not only enhances the technical aspects of video generation, but also opens up opportunities for creative innovation. Its potential to democratize video content production could empower smaller enterprises and redefine traditional notions of artistic content creation, leading to new digital artistry forms. Despite some challenges, its innovative capabilities promise to reshape the landscape of digital media significantly. We've seen incredible advancements in AI today, with transformative impacts across various industries, from document processing to software development. The possibilities are endless, with these innovations driving efficiency and security. Stay tuned to Daily AI Brief as we continue to explore the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence and its real-world applications. Thanks for listening.